Hello viewers, راځئ چې زده کړو د English sentences with Pashto translation. Sentence دی I have no objection. Objection means اعتراض. زه هیڅ اعتراض نه لرم. I have no objection. Sentence دی I find it difficult. Difficult means ستونزمن ګران. زه دا ستونزمن عمومم. Stop making fun of me. له ما سره ټوکې کول بند کړئ. Stop making fun of me. Don't walk on mud. Mud مونږه هټو ته وایو. Don't walk on mud. په هټو مزئ. Don't disturb your sister. Disturb means تنګول یا څوک خفه کول. خپله خور مه خفه کوه. Sentence دی Please get out of bed now. Please get out of bed now. مهرباني وکړئ همدا اوس له بستره راشئ. That's not like good boy. دا د ښه هلک په څیر نه دی. She was right. She was right. هغه سمه وه. She told us. She told us. هغې مونږ ته وویل. She was wrong. She was wrong. Wrong means غلطه. هغه غلطه وه. هغه په غلطه وه. Viewers, subscribe this channel to improve your English sentences.